Thank you so much, wood picker. Ito na, papakawalan na po natin ito mamaya maya dahil kawawa po siya. Tumatawag na po ang kanyang mga kasama, so papakawalan na natin siya. Gustong gusto nang lumipad, gusto nang lumipad ang bata. Yeah, wag muna wood picker. Later on. Ang lamig, malamig ang araw. Everyone, wood picker, papakawalan na kita. Wood picker, papakawalan na kita. Wood picker, papakawalan na kita. What a beautiful nature. Beautiful. Umulan. Kasi umulan. Later. Walang kita. Ang ganda niya. It's time to go. Wood picker, it's time to go. Come on, time to go. Time to go now. Time to go. Goodbye, wood picker. Goodbye. See you next time. Oh, it's cold. Wood picker, it's cold. It's windy and cold and rainy. Oh, see. Oh, okay, he bite me. This boy, he bite me. See. Okay, it's time to go. Wood picker, it's time to go. Oh, see, he's the one. See that? Oh, nice. See. Oh, your friend. Oh, it's windy. Okay, you can fly now. Bye bye, wood picker. Bye bye.